with CGPA 7.78, and after that I joined NIT Silchar in my MSc program and completed in 2024, and my CGPA is 9.24. My interest in numerical analysis and ordinary differential equation.
Okay. Are you comfortable in Newton-Raphson method?
Yes, sir.
What is the order of convergence of a Newton-Raphson method? And why, first you tell me what are the order of convergence of a Newton-Raphson method?
In Newton-Raphson method, if it has root in the algebraic multiplicity 2, then the order of convergence is 1, and if the algebraic multiplicity is 1, then the order of convergence is 2.
No. I'm wrong.
The normal order of convergence is 2.
Yeah. Why are you confused with 1? Okay. And what are the order of convergence of secant method? It is linear or not?
Which method? Second
Secant
method.
Yes.
Its order of convergence is 1.6 something, and it is linear.
Yeah.
So,
Hello?
so I have a question.
Yes,
Should I
sir.
proceed? Okay. So are you comfortable with existence and uniqueness theorem of ordinary differential equation of first order?
Yes, sir.
So can you state what does the existence theorem says?
Okay. System. If there is a differential equation in the form of del y dy by dx is equal to f of xy, if and with some initial condition, then if the function f of xy is continuous, then we can say the solution of that differential equation is exist. For the uniqueness, we have to test for the Lipschitz condition. If it holds the Lipschitz condition, then we can say the solution is unique. Otherwise, if it satisfies that the existence of the solution, then we can say it has infinitely many solutions.
Okay, but in the existence theorem, you only asked for continuous. You only said that fxy is continuous, right? So
Yes.
continuous where? Continuous where? And is the continuity enough to guarantee the existence?
Continuous in the neighborhood of the initial condition.
Okay, and so is it enough?
And it is also differentiable. The function is
No,
continuous.
No. So it should be continuous in some rectangle containing the initial point, and then it should be bounded in the rectangle.
Yes,
Okay.
yes.
Okay. So, and what about the existence? You said Lipschitz. Okay, that's fine. Now, do you have something to write? Like, can you write?
Yes,
So
sir.
consider the differential equation dy by dx equal to 2y by x minus 1. So basically, fxy is 2y by x minus 1, and 2y divided by x minus 1, and the initial condition is y of 1 equal to 1.
Okay.
Okay. So what can you use the existence theorem here? Using the existence theorem, can you say the solution will exist?
Okay. The function f of xy is not continuous on 1 because at 1 the function is not continuous.
Okay, good. So you cannot, the existence theorem cannot conclude anything,
No,
right?
no.
So can you tell me whether this differential equation has a solution or not?
It has a solution
Okay.
by normally variable separation method, we can say.
Okay. So can you tell me the solution quickly?
It has solution, but it has infinitely many solution because we cannot find the value of the c.
Okay, good. Okay, that's all from my side.
Hi, Ankita. Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Ankita,
Yes.
am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Hello.
Hello.
Yes, yes, sir. You are audible. Please tell.
Okay. Area's differential equation. So I have
Yes.
one question. Can you differentiate the ordinary differential equation and partial differential equation?
Can you?
Can you
Can you
differentiate?
differentiate
I think
differential equation and partial differential equations?
Okay.
लॉक कर दिया हाँ sorry.
Okay. In ordinary differential equation, we only introduce one single independent variable, and in PDE, partial order differential equation, we can use more than one independent variable.
can give an example of an first order differential equation which order is defined but degree is not defined. Can provide such an example?
Which order is
Ah,
defined?
Order is defined but degree is not defined.
Okay.
Such type of differential equation is exist.
Yes, dy by dx is equal to root y.
Is degree not defined?
No,
Why?
because I introduced the root y because of it has the root 1 by 2 in the fraction. So that is
What
why.
is the first I tell you what is the basic definition of the degree of a differential equation?
Degree of the differential equation.
Yeah.
Okay. The degree of the differential equation is the degree of the higher order differentiation of the independent variable,
Which is free from?
which is free from fraction or transcendental function.
So you can give an example of dy dx plus square root of y is equal to 0. Such type of differential equation you cannot define the degree.
No.
Why? Write dy dx is equal to minus square root of y. You can squaring both sides. Then we get a new.
Okay.
Then you find a new differential equation.
Yes.
So its degree, I think 2,
Yes, yes, yes,
and order is 1.
yes.
Try for another example. First, my question is: it is possible if a differential equation is given, then degree is always defined or not?
Yes, sir.
Always defined degree. Write a differential equation dy dx. Right? Sorry. Sine of sine symbol लिखो sine angle में dy dx plus y is equal to 0. What is the degree? साइन ऑफ एंगल में आपको dy dx लिखना है plus y is equal to 0. This
Okay,
differential equation is order 1, but degree is undefined.
okay,
Okay.
okay, sir.
What is the basic difference of Jacobi iterative method and Gauss Jordan method and Gauss elimination method? First, you define the when we use the Gauss elimination method and Gauss Jordan method. If a system of equation is given, then first you decide in mind how to solve with the approach of Gauss Jordan method and Gauss elimination method. When will we apply the Gauss Jordan method and Gauss elimination method?
I don't know the answer properly, but I can try.
Yeah,
Um,
try it, try it.
if from the system of linear equations, we can make the matrix if its diagonal elements of first row.
Just tell us clear that in Gauss Jordan in method, in your approach, the associated matrix to convert in upper triangular or identity matrix.
In Gauss,
Jordan method. First, you given the system of equation, you design the new matrix form. Like, so your approach to reduce the given matrix in upper triangular matrix or only diagonal matrix in Gauss Jordan method.
sir, I don't know.
Okay. Are you
Uh,
comfortable in Euler method?
Euler method. Yes.
When will we use the Euler method for solving the first order differential equation? Yeah. Okay, no problem. I think it is over from my side. If you anyone ask the
I have
question.
a question. So you said you also have interest in numerical analysis. So have you heard of this Weierstrass approximation theorem?
Yes, I hear.
So do you remember the statement?
No, sir.
Okay. Okay. So actually the entire numerical analysis is based on Weierstrass approximation theorem. So please have a look at it. Okay. Is right. Right. Because the entire right. Right. Okay. So that's all from my side also for the timing.
I want to ask a simple question. So, do you heard about exact differential equation?
Yes.
So, what are that? Which equations are exact?
If the differential equation uh, is defined in m dx plus n dy is equal to 0, then we said that the differential equation is exact when this differential equation m dx plus n dy is equal to du, where u is a function of xy and which is continuously differentiable function, continuously partial differentiable function, where du define the del u del x into dx plus del u del y into dy.
So how you can solve this type of equation?
For that we have a necessary and sufficient condition,
What is that?
that is, if the differential equation m dx plus n dy is called exact if and only if del m del y is equal to del n del x.
Yes. Then
One
what
more
is
question in mind. Just sorry. Every differential equation can be made inexact if given differential equation is non-exact. You
What
can
is it?
made you can always made a non-exact differential equation is exact.
means you are having a differential equation. Can you
This
make
is
it in exact form? The form you are telling.
It sometimes happen and sometimes not. It has, so there are kind of steps. First step is when the uh, m dx plus n dy in the homogeneous part where m and n are in the homogeneous function, then we try to find the integrating factor, that is 1 by mx minus ny, and in another method when m dx plus n dy we find m with some, from m we find y, and from n we find x, and then we find the defined integrating factor 1 by mx plus ny, and if these two are not possible, then we go for the third one, which is del m del y minus okay, del m del y minus del n del x. It's divided by 1 by n, and which is a function of x. And in another, if del n del x minus del m del y, then which is divided by m, then it is a function of y. Rather than if we can use that we can product the total m dx plus n dy with x to the power h y to the power k, from that we can comparison and we get the value of h and k. From that we can make the differential equation in the exact differential equation.
So what is the definition of an integrating factor?
Integrating factor is a function which can make a differential equation in that exact differential equation, or to solve the differential equation we find
Right.
the integrating factor.
Okay, so you basically told us what are the possible ways to find out the integrating factors. So if none of these works, then you don't have a way basically, right?
Yeah.
Hi, Ankita.
Yes, sir. Yes, ma'am.
I have only one question for you. Can you tell me one function that is continuous everywhere but not differentiable at 3 points?
At 3 points. We can use the mod function.
Yes.
We can write the function as mod x plus mod x plus x minus 1 plus mod x minus 2. The function is always
Yeah.
everywhere continuous but not differentiable at 3 to
Okay.
1 and 2.
Okay.
Nice.
Okay, Ankita. Nice. Best wishes to you.
Thank you, ma'am. In the if we find the differential equation, the degree of the homogeneous equation are same. Can I give it an example? If the differential equation, I can introduce dy by dx is equal to yx minus x squared by y square minus x square, then this differential equation is homogeneous of the because it both has degree 2.
So basically, you're getting confused with this
Yeah, yeah.
homogeneous functions and this.
And,
There is a type of
homogen-
differential equation where when fxy is a homogeneous function, then what you have studied in class 12 basically.
yeah.
But he has a question which is homogeneous differential equation and non-homogeneous differential equation. So, yeah,
Yes, yes. Okay.
Yeah.
means yeah, some authors call this homogeneous differential equation because right hand side is a homogeneous function.
Yes.
So, but there is another terminology of homogeneous differential equation and non-homogeneous differential equation.
If the function, I can try if the function is written in y by x.
That is the same thing. That is the same thing, no?
Means
I
it's
think
not
it's
that by using the function, something related to function, like a function is homogeneous, you need to use something like this in the set of a differential equation. This is not that tough, means you can think and you can write, but in the interview it happens sometime. Don't worry.
एक्चुअली आप जब डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन लिखते हो dy dx प्लस सम लाइक फंक्शन इज इक्वल टू 0 इन राइट हैंड साइड, ओके, तो सच टाइप ऑफ डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन इज होमोजेनियस.
Homogeneous. And if there is any function
Yeah.
phi or
मुझे
Right.
मुझे लगा कि आप थोड़ा सा जो
नर्वस हो गई है इसमें.
हाँ,
हाँ, वो
nervous
होता है.
हो. तो पैनिक नहीं होना, पैनिक नहीं होना.
yes, yes.
So, please.
Hmm.
Yeah, nice question.
Yes, yes. Yes, sir. It forms a vector space.
So the next,
What is the? Yes. Um, in vector space, we define first a basis. The number of elements in the basis is called
Yeah.
dimension. Basis is the linear. First, in vector space, we find some linear combination, linear span.
Yeah.
There is two definition, that is if there is a spanning a vector which spans the vector v and as well as they are linearly independent, then we say that spanning set is basis.
Okay.
This depend upon the degree of the differential order of the differential equation.
Yeah,
yes,
you are right.
yes.
I think Gyanendra, it's fine.
We can.
So yeah, maybe I'll ask a couple of questions. So do you know what is the definition of an integral domain?
Actually,
An integral domain.
No, sir.
Okay. Do you know what is the definition of a field?
Um,
Okay, it's fine.
आपने
Fine.
मास्टर या यूजी में अलजेब्रा का कोई कोर्स पढ़ा है कि अभी आपके कोर्स में है ही नहीं सिलेबस में ये? एब्स्ट्रैक्ट अलजेब्रा का कोर्स आपने कभी रीड किया है?
हाँ हाँ मैंने पढ़ा है पर मैं मतलब मुझे अभी समझ आ रहा है बट मुझे उतना क्लियरली डेफिनेशंस नहीं आ रहे हैं.
ओके ओके नो.
अभी आप मास्टर्स फाइनल ईयर में हैं?
No, I completed my master's in 2024.
Okay, okay. Okay. So you are preparing for PhD interviews?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, I try for IITs.
Are you qualified NET, GATE or another competitive exam like
I qualified the NET LS with
in this year?
no in June 2025
Okay.
NET LS, and this time I don't know why the cutoff is so high for the GATE exam, and I for only 0.7 marks I cannot qualify the GATE exam.
So which area you are planning for your research, like for
Yes.
PhD?
Yes.
No, what is the
Like which
area you are
area, in
planning
which
for?
area you are planning to do your PhD?
My interest is in mathematical modeling.
Okay.
For that,
Okay.
I don't know, there are many.
तो ओवरऑल जो परफॉर्मेंस था वो अच्छा था और जो अभी इम्प्रूव करने की ज़रूरत है जो जैसे बेसिक डिफिनीशन जैसे ज्ञानेंद्र ने पूछा और अनुज ने जैसे मतलब कुछ आपने सर्टन कंडीशन मिस किया एग्जिस्टेंस यूनिकनेस में वो
Yes.
आपको वो नेसेसरी है आप उसके बिना मतलब आप एग्जिस्टेंस यूनिकनेस नहीं लगा सकते हो तो जैसे जो थ्योरम आप जो स्टेट करते हो जैसे जब भी कभी इंटरव्यू देने आप जाओगे कहीं पे तो जो बेसिक मतलब जो ऑब्जर्वर होते हैं जैसे आपने कोई चीज स्टेट किया तो वो होपफुली वो एज्यूम करते हैं कि बच्चे से कोई ये गलती ना हो कि वो स्टेटमेंट जब बोले तो एग्जैक्ट बोले आपको उस पर कमांड होना चाहिए कि आप जो बोल रहे हो स्टेटमेंट वो कहीं गलत नहीं होना चाहिए तो होता है कभी कभी पैनिक हो जाता है बट उस पर आपको थोड़ा सा वर्क करना है कि उसको एक दो बार एक्चुअली डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन है तो आपको लिखना पड़ेगा एक दो बार लिखिए और उस पर एक दो प्रैक्टिस करिए जैसे अनुज ने काफी अच्छा क्वेश्चन पूछा आपने बताया भी बहुत सही तरीके से तो दैट्स इट मतलब कि आप अच्छा करो और अच्छा कर सकते हो मतलब अच्छा है आपका मतलब मेरी तरफ से तो गुड है
हाँ मेरी तरफ से भी लाइक व्हाट शी सेड वाज मोर और लेस करेक्ट बस थोड़ा सा डेफिनेशंस वगैरह ना उसको थोड़ा डेफिनेशन और कोई भी स्टेटमेंट से थ्योरम का वो सबको आपको अच्छा ग्रिप बनाना पड़ेगा मतलब उसमें जैसे तुषार सर ने बोला कि उसमें कोई मिस्टेक का गुंजाइश नहीं है यू शुड नॉट डू एनी मिस्टेक व्हाइल स्टेटिंग अ थ्योरम और जैसे कुछ कुछ मेन थ्योरम थे जैसे विस्ट्रास अप्रोक्सीमेशन थ्योरम दैट इज उसके ऊपर ही पूरा न्यूमेरिकल एनालिसिस बेस्ड है तो वो थ्योरम का स्टेटमेंट अच्छा से समझिए एंड देन उसका स्टेटमेंट भी याद होना चाहिए बहुत अच्छी तरह से सो ऑल द बेस्ट ओवरऑल इट वाज गुड
Overall, is your basic knowledge is okay, but I think you just look confident. First,
Okay.
that is important. Your face is like you are just like you are nervous, looking
yeah but
nervous. So,
yeah.
but you will always look confident by your face. You can confident always matters.
मुझे बहुत डर लगता है.
Yeah, actually,
That-
your voice and the way you are answering the question is like you are very, very nervous.
right
So
right right
that is not good. Be confident, and when you are giving the answer to the interviewer, so confidently give the answer.
Okay.
Sometimes you mistake something, sometimes you missed something, that is okay, but your voice will be confident and your look by face will be confident. Okay. Okay, fine.
आई वांट टू से आप ना थोड़ा, एक तो जो ये डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन है और न्यूमेरिकल एनालिसिस है ना, जो एकदम बेसिक है, जैसे फर्स्ट ऑर्डर डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन है, डिग्री है, ऑर्डर है, इस पे तो बहुत अच्छा कमांड होना चाहिए, होल्ड। क्योंकि स्टार्टिंग ना कोई भी बहुत एडवांस क्वेश्चन से नहीं करता कभी भी, तो
Yes.
बेसिक में ना ऐसा होना चाहिए कि आप कहीं ना फंसो, बता दो, इतनी अच्छे से आपको सारी चीजें पता होनी चाहिए। और थोड़ा सा ना, जैसे आपका इंटरेस्ट इंक्लिनेशन थोड़ा ये अप्लाइड मैथ्स में है, तो एक बेसिक क्वेश्चन ये भी हो सकता है कि व्हाई यू आर मोर इंटरेस्टेड दिस साइड। तो एक छोटा सा इसका भी कुछ आप एक्सप्लेनेशन दे सकते हो, कई बार लोग पूछ लेते हैं, स्पेशली जो प्योर मैथ साइड से होते हैं, कि क्यों आपको यही वाली साइड अच्छी लगती है मैथ्स की, तो थोड़ा एक इसको भी एक्सप्लेन कर सकते हैं कुछ भी।